children, good morning. Today we continue the topic simple equations. Okay, in this class we discuss about some word problems related with the simple equation, that is application of simple equations. Our first question, one age problem. Raju's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Raju's age. Raju's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Raju's age. Find Raju's age, that is our question. Also here given, if his father is 44 years old, that means what? Raju's father's age. Okay, so first we have to write Raju's father's age equal to 44 years. Okay. Now we have to find what is Raju's age. Now assume Raju's age equal to one unknown number, that is one unknown variable we taken as x. Okay. Here given Raju's father's age is given. Then also given one condition. What is the condition? Raju's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Raju's age. Here but Raju's father's age is, that father's age is 5 years more than, 5 years, that is 5 years more than means what? Plus 5 years more than 3 times Raju's age. 3 times Raju, what is? We take Raju's age is equal to x. We take Raju's age is equal to this one unknown number. We have to find Raju's age. Okay, that number we taken as what? X. Okay, so 3 times Raju's age means for Raju's age taken as x. 3 times Raju's age means 3 into x. Okay. Here in this question given, Raju's father's age is this. Raju's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Raju's age. That is what? Raju's father's age. What is Raju's father's age? 44. Let me clear how can get this equation. Okay, what is we get? 5 plus 3x equal to 44. 5 plus 3x equal to 44. Okay, now we get one simple equations with the variable x. Okay, what is this variable x? That is a Raju's age. Okay, that means here we have to find x, that means Raju's age. Okay, next step, transpose 5. Okay, it is 3x equal to 44 minus 5. What is 44 minus 5? Yes, 39. Okay, that means we get 3x equal to 39. 3x equal to 39. Okay, then what is x? X equal to 39 divided by 3. Okay, 1 into 3, 3. 3 into 3, 9. Okay, that is 30 years. 30 years. What is Raju's age? Yes, Raju's age equal to 30 years. Here we get 5 plus 3x equal to 44. Then solve. The solve means find the value of x. So 3x equal to 44 minus this, transpose this 5, that is minus 5. Then 3x equal to 39. Then x equal to what? Transpose this 3, that is 39 divided by 3, that is equal to 30 years. That means what? Raju's age equal to 13 years. Okay, Raju's age is equal to 13 years. What is Raju's father's age? Raju's father's age 44. Raju's age is equal to 13 years. All of you understood? Yes. Write this question with the answer in your notebook. This is our second question. If I take 3/4 of a number and add 3 to it, I get 21. We have to find that unknown number. Okay, what is the question? If I take 3/4 of a number and add 3 to it, I get 21. Okay, I get 21. Here first we have to take the unknown number is equal to x. Okay, let the number equal to x. Okay, then 3/4 of a number. What is 3/4 of a number? 3/4 of a number. What is 3/4 of a number? One fraction. Yes, 3/4 of a number is equal to, a number means here take x. 3/4 means 3/4. 3/4. Okay. 3/4 of a number means 3/4 of x. 3/4 of x. Okay. That means 3x by 4. Okay. 3/4 of x. That is equal to 3x by 4. Okay. Also given what? I take 3/4 of a number. That is I take 3/4. That is 3/4 of a number. And add. Add means plus. Add 3 to it. Add 3. 3 to it. I get 21. Okay, that time I get 21. Okay. Okay, here given in sentence, that sentence we change into equation. That is first here set up equation. Okay, first set up equation and solve. Solve means find the unknown number. നമുക്ക് ഏതാണോ അറിഞ്ഞുകൂടാത്ത ആ number, that unknown number. Here what is the unknown number here? That unknown number is x. Okay. Next we have to find the variable x. Okay. 3/4 x equal to 21 minus 3. Here this plus 3 transpose to RHS, that change into minus. That is equal to 18. Okay. That means we get 3/4 x equal to 18. Next step is to transpose this 3/4. 3/4. 3/4 into x transpose to RHS, that change into division. Okay. So x equal to 18 division 3/4. 18 division 3/4 means what? Yes. This division change into multiplication. That is multiply here division of fraction. Okay. But that time what we do? Yes. Division change into multiplication. Then take the reciprocal of second fraction. What is the reciprocal of 3/4? Yes, 4/3. Next we have to simplify. Simplify means that here what we do here is using cancellation law. Here 18 and 3 have common factor 3. Okay. So 1 into 3, 3. 6 3s are 18. Okay. Now get x equal to 6 into 4. 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24. Now we get x equal to 24. X equal to 24. What is our question? If I take 3/4 of a number and add 3 to it and I get 21, we have to find that unknown number, that is solve, that is the question. So what we find the value of x. Okay, so we have to find that required number. That required number is equal to, that number is equal to, right, required number, നമുക്ക് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുന്ന number, required number is equal to 24. Okay, it is 3/4 of 24 plus 3 equal to 21. This is the answer. So answer, that number is equal to what? 24. All of you clear this question? For question, set up equation and solve. Okay, one statement here given. First we have to that statement change into equation. Then what we find the value of x. That is solve. Solve means find the value of that unknown variable. Here unknown variable is what? X. Okay, so x equal to what we got? 24. That means required number is equal to 24. That is the answer. Okay, clear? That's right. Next question number 3. In an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal. What is the isosceles triangle? Isosceles means, triangle means what? Two sides have equal length. This is one isosceles triangle. These two sides are equal. Okay, isosceles triangle means that two, in an isosceles triangle, two sides have equal length and base angles also equal. Base angles also equal. Okay, in an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal. Base angles are equal. The vertex is what? The vertex angle is what? 40 degree. What are the base angles of the triangle? What are the base angles of the triangle? Also here given one hint. The sum of three angles of a triangle is 190 degree. All of you know that? The sum of three angles, that means the sum of all these angles equal to 180 degree. Here given these two angles equal. Here vertex angle, what is the here given? Is 40 degree. Okay, all of you clear this question? Let's one more time read. Yes, in this question we have to find what? Find the base angle. In an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal. The vertex angle is 40 degree. What are the base angles of the triangle? Okay, here we take let the base angle equal to x. Okay, what is the measure of base angle? That is equal to x we take. Okay, here given base angles are equal by, this is an isosceles triangle. Okay, then other one angle also given, that is 40 degree. We know that all these three angles, sum of all these three angles equal to 180 degree. That is one important result. That also here given. Okay, that means what? Is x plus 40 degree is equal to 180 degree. Why? Sum of three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Okay, here two angles equal to xy. These two angles are equal. These two are base angles of a isosceles triangle. Okay, that is also a important result. Base angles are equal in an isosceles triangle. Okay, so x plus x equal to what? 2x plus, that is x 2 times, that is 2x plus 40 is equal to 180 degree. Now find what? Value of x. Okay, so First transpose plus 40 to RHS. Okay. So 2x equal to 180 minus 40, that is equal to 140. 180 minus 40 is equal to 140. Okay. Next step, 2x equal to 140, then x equal to 140 divided by 2. This 2 into x, that is transpose to RHS, that 2 into change into divided by 2. Okay, that is equal to 1 into 2, 2, 7 2s are 14, then 0. That is equal to what? 70. That means what? Base angle of the given triangle. Base angles of the triangle equal to what? Base angle equal to 70 degrees. So what are the base angles? 70 and 70. Okay, base angles are equal. Okay, so base angles equal to 70 degree comma 70 degree. These are the our question. What are the base angles of the triangle? So base angles are 70 degree comma 70 degree. Why? These two angles are equal. All of you clear? Okay. All of you know what is meant by isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangle means what? Yes, isosceles triangle means what? Yes, its two sides are equal in length and base angles also equal. Okay, clear? Let me clear this question with answer. Yes, write question number 3 and answer. Write this picture also. This is one important result. That result also write. Okay, write. Next, write some homework question. Page number 91. Page number 91. Page number 91. Exercise 4.4. Exercise 4.4. Question number 1. Question number 1. All questions. Okay, in question number 1, all questions. That is all question means except question number C. Okay, question number A, B, D, E, F, G. Okay, question number A, B, D, E, F, G. In question number 2, A, comma, C. These are the homework questions. Okay, these are the homework questions. Okay. In question number 1, question number A, B except C, all those. Okay. In question number 2, A and C. All of you understood today's class? Clear? Okay. Now I wind up the class. We will meet again in the next class. Okay. Thank you.